Hello everybody. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve Snapchat QR code. To know how to fix or how to solve Snapchat QR code, you should just go to settings. Then in this page you click apps, default apps, app settings. When you'll find this list, you will search about this window of Snapchat and you will enter. Here in this page of app info, you will go to click for stop and you click OK. Then you will enter to storage. When you find this page, you will click on clear cache. And in the end, you can go to Play Store. You will search about Snapchat. When you find it, you can update your application. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video.